Looking for a new way to attract your customers? Texgraff offers you the best cut and press solutions for your garment decoration and textiles printing business. But before you watch this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to keep you updated with our latest technologies. Holographic Heat Transfer Vinyl can appear in multiple colors that can change with the reflection of light. Cut your vinyl using CE7000, enabled to cut wide variety of media with high productivity. This cutter plotter features user-friendly control panels, expanded cutting area, and improved ARMS for high-precision cutting. Press using Ely 600 heat press. This industrial machine is built for professional applications with high productivity environment and fashionable transfer quality. Ely 600 is a swing-away system that requires less physical strain from the operator and allows the workpiece to be dressed over the lower platen. Holographic vinyl can also be an alternative for sequence or rhinestone design. The easy-to-read gives your design a 3D-like image that makes the colors look like it's moving and have been brought to life. With a range of styles and colors, holographic vinyl can be used in various locations purposes, giving you complete creative control over your garment decorations business. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texgraff.com.